I feel responsible. I'm not doing this for the people who are HIV positive. I'm not doing this for people who have AIDS. I'm doing this for me. I'm doing this for you. Because we are a part of the human race, and this is not happening to others. This is happening to the human race.
आओ कसम खाएं हम जिंदगी से मोहब्बत करेंगे, ये जिंदगी खूबसूरत है, इसकी हिफाजत करेंगे। मौसम बदलने से पहले क्यों फूल मुरझाए कोई, सूरज के ढलने से पहले क्यों राही सो जाए कोई, जितनी भी है उम्र मुमकिन क्यों उससे कम पाए कोई। किस्मत बदल सकती है ये दिखाने की हिम्मत करेंगे, आओ कसम खाएं हम जिंदगी से मोहब्बत करेंगे।
More than just the disease, you know, when you get infected with this kind of a disease, it's hard. It's not even the fear of the disease. It's the fear of the world. It's the fear of being imprisoned in isolation from the world, losing your loved ones, just feeling completely detached, and that is not fair. It's not fair because people are not literate enough. They're not aware enough. People will understand that simple facts that AIDS does not spread through touch. They can lead normal lives. They can party with you. They can sit with you. They can work with you. They don't have to be shunned from workplaces. There are so many people who are qualified, who are out of jobs because of this, and it doesn't need to be that way. The only reason this is happening is because there is not enough awareness. And once the awareness comes into our consciousness, I think as a society we will evolve, and that's what needs to be done. We need to evolve. We are trying to remove the stigma, we are trying to remove the fear. Enough has been said, and it's not enough yet, you know. A lot more has to be said, a lot more has to be done. This is not a one-point agenda, this is not a one-time thing, this has to go on. I'm here to take my pledge to be a part of this, and I will do whatever I can, not only just come and give speeches, but to be personally present in places where I can pass on, embrace and educate people through visual medium, through whatever medium. I had to leave Cannes because I wanted to be a part of this function. Cannes was beautiful. My film got a great response, and we're all very positive. The rest we will find out when the film comes out. Thank you very much.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.